for Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 29th to the 2nd of May 2025 on Tuesday. Kazimulo is hell-bent on doing the right thing, but it might be too late. But takes on a new redemption adventure. Mzamo comes out for his funk on Wednesday. Madlala revamps her look. Nkazimulo makes impressive strides with Babekazi's account and Sbu's first Sunday takes an unexpected turn on Thursday. Two women come out of hiding, one seeking revenge and another flaunting her happiness. Sbu gets a new lease after a discouraging encounter on Friday. Babekazi lies her way out of a situation. Matongo is not comfortable with her kids discussing the Madlala fiasco. Sbu is left conflicted when Bata's word hit home. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.